Today's video is about the two toners from BODYSHOP. The first one is the BODYSHOP ALOE Calming Toner, and the second one is the BODYSHOP Seaweed Oil Balancing Toner. Now, toning is an important skincare step. Toners do a fabulous job at cleansing your pores, and they also help to reduce oil buildup. For me, toning is like the second step of cleansing, as it helps in getting rid of any impurities, dirt, and makeup traces that are left on skin after cleansing. Now, some people find toners to be a useless skincare product, but in actual, they are a great way of hydrating and smoothing the skin. Toners keep the skin balanced and prepped for moisturizers, lotions, and spot treatments that you apply next in your skincare regimen. Personally, I like to use alcohol-free toners because alcohol-based toners tend to dry out and irritate the skin in the long run. So now let's start with the review of the Body Shop Aloe Calming Toner. This is the one that I ordered first, and it is an almost empty bottle because I have completely used this product. Though I have some left for you guys. This is a 250 ml bottle priced at rupees 1095. It is available offline and online on Body Shop stores and also on other e-stores like Myntra, Nykaa, Flipkart, and Amazon, and so on. This toner is formulated for dry and sensitive skin. If talking about the composition, then this toner is 100% vegan and it is enriched with community fair trade aloe from Campeche, Mexico. The best thing about this toner is that it is color free and it is fragrance free and it is alcohol free. Body Shop says this is a gentle toner that removes traces of makeup and cleanser and instantly soothes dry and sensitive skin. Becomes more soft, supple, and hydrated. I like to soak a cotton pad in toner and swipe it across face and neck. This way, it helps in getting rid of all the stuff that is left behind after cleansing, be it dirt, grime, makeup traces, and even those pesky dead cells which keep your skin looking dull. Post application, my skin felt a bit sticky. Hang on, I think I have the answer for the stickiness. As you know, that this toner is formulated for people who have dry and sensitive skin. But I, on the other hand, have oily skin. That's why my skin felt a bit sticky after using it. Overall, the Aloe toner from Body Shop is great at cleansing and providing hydration. Certainly calms the sensitive skin and keeps it hydrated and supple. I think it is a very good toner for people who have dry and sensitive skin. Now moving on to the Body Shop Seaweed Oil Balancing. This toner is suitable for oily and combination skin type. This is also a 250 ml bottle priced at rupees 1195. You can get Body Shop products at a discounted price of 15 to 20% during sale offers offline and online at Body Shop stores and other e-stores. So why to buy on full price when you can get them on the discounted rates? So you should keep an eye out for such offers. Getting back onto the toner, it contains mineral-rich seaweed from Roaring Water Bay, Ireland. It is alcohol-free, but it does have some fragrance. Though the fragrance is lovely, sweet-scented, and mild. Now coming over to my review of this toner, it removes whatever my cleanser leaves behind without drying out the skin. The formula of this toner is non-greasy and there is no stickiness after its application. It is really great for summertime and I think it will do a wonderful job. Skin feels super clean and it tones down oil and shine on the face. I'm totally hooked to this toner as the skin feels fresh, moisturized without feeling greasy or too dry. Skin looks better and healthy with consistent use of this toner. And the best thing about this toner is that my skin didn't purge after using it and the number of acne that I used to get also reduced with the use of this toner. I'm really happy that I purchased this toner and I am going to buy it again and again in the future. If you have oily and acne prone skin, then give this toner a try and thank me later for suggesting you something so amazing.